Let's see how to connect your flash drive into your Android TV. So the thing is very simple. You need to come to the back of the TV. Usually it's on the left side. So you need to find the USB port. Here it is. So what I did is I just connect a extension cable, USB to USB extension cable like this. I'm going to connect my flash drive into the extension, then it will be going to work. I just connected my flash drive. Okay, in the TV you can see this pop-up. You just click USB, then it will opens up like this. In case if you haven't seen that, I just click back. You need to come to settings option, open that, and input source. So here select the USB, there it is. And here is the flash drive. It's a 64 gigs of flash drive. I just open that, and here you can see the video. If you want to play the video, just open that and it will plays in the background. So there you go. For better options, you can install the VLC media on your TV. That gives you more functions to control, to watch movies, and we can customize while watching the movies. So it's a better option. And in case if you connect and haven't see the flash drive thing, it's only charging, you need to turn on some functions. You need to open the main settings option, and here just scroll down and open system, and here you need to open about. You need to find the about and open that. Here scroll down and find the word build. So it was somewhere attached on anywhere. Here you can see Android TV OS build. You need to tap over and over again until you see you are now a developer. So for me, I am already a developer. Then back and scroll down and find this option, developer option. You need to open that and scroll down here. First turn on the USB debugging mode. This is extra option. You just turn on that and you scroll down and you will find this option, USB configuration. So this is in default, it will be selected to charging mode only. If you connect any flash drive or any other USB devices, it only charge or power that device. Like if you connect the game console adapter, it will only charge the device, or if you connect the mobile, it will only charge the mobile. But to transfer files or to connect, technically we need to change these functions. For flash drive thing, you need to select MTP, this second option, media transfer protocol. So after this, you just go back and check your flash drive. Definitely it will work. So this is how you need to do. And if you want to know more videos about Android TV, you need to watch this playlist.